Good morning, everyone. Sunday morning, kind of the day-long weekend. Back at the other school on my list. I've been here before. Found a few pennies, young Elizabeth, and this looks like a ring. Not sure if it's over yet. Just hold on, I'll put the phone down. Something to look at. It'd be nice because I haven't had a ring in a while. Water out. Get my hopes up, but looks pretty silvery. I think I see some markings. I don't know. I have to double check at home. Looks silvery. It's pretty heavy. Cool. On to the next. There me again. It's been a while since I filmed a hole. I don't want to film pennies and garbage and stuff. I got a few suspender clips, I think. Or some weird looking buckles. This one's interesting. Looks like just a pendant. Probably junk, but it's kind of cool. This looks Egyptian. Sure it's not Egyptian, but I don't know, it hit pretty high. I'll have to check if there was markings on it. That would be cool. Not sure what's on it. It's interesting. On to the next. Yeah, hold on. I'll show you. Cool, eh? Now I'm on to the next. Okay. You gotta check this one. It's been a bucket list here so far. I'm not sure, but you gotta take a look at this. I don't know if you can see. Right in there. Glad I didn't scuff it. That's a shoe buckle. It's a small shoe. I'm not sure. Looks like one. If not, if it's a hell of a nice buckle. Wow. Ring earlier than this. Sweet. On to the next.